Do you want to find the best affiliate products that pays high commissions that you don't need to sell? People ready to wipe out their credit cards. Sophia was able to make $2,000 per week. Gigi, 59-year-old lady, earned $4,800 in 30 days. Ted did $9,600 in first 3 weeks. With the secret network that I am going to reveal in this video. And that secret network going to pay you highest commission than any other network. Maybe you already know how to find affiliate products, but if you don't follow the 3-step criteria while choosing any great product that I am going to tell you in this video, you end up with the products that going to pay you less commission. So here is the 3-step criteria. First is look for booming industries that is growing exponentially and has great potential. These are the examples of booming industries. Micromobility, e-learning, it's exploding. It's a $1 trillion industry and still growing every day exponentially. Solar power, e-commerce, software. Second step is find great and solid company to collaborate with. You need to find those companies that have strong foundation. I'll give you some example of those companies. Like Mindvalley, it is related to personal development, finance, mind, meditation, spirituality. So no matter in which niche you are in, you can still collaborate with Mindvalley. Another is 4%. It's an e-learning platform that provides education to people who are interested into online businesses, who wants to build online business. And if you are interested into lifestyle and fashion niche, you can check out Nike. If you want to promote gadgets and all, you can check out Apple. Just Google, you will find so many companies. Third step is choose world-class high-end demand product or service. Find those products that has high-end competition, that has high demand. Before I tell you about the companies that fulfill all 3 criteria, I want to bust a myth here that most of the people believes in. Everybody told you to choose products that has low competition. That's a wrong thinking. Why would I pay for a product that no one knows about? Ask yourself, would you buy a product that no one knows about? If you are going to buy an email marketing software, would you buy a software that no one knows about? No, you will choose a software that is popular, famous. You will choose #1 email marketing software. And those products always have high in competition, high in demand. Now, if you are thinking, how are you going to sell those products that high in demand? You will get the answer of this question at the last step of this video. But remember, if you are selling low quality product, then no matter what system you are using to sell those product, no one is going to buy those product. Here are the some companies that has world top class product. Mindvalley, it is the largest growing e-learning platform with the world class product related to personal development, mindset, meditation, career, business, and much more. Another is 4%. It's the best e-learning platform with the great courses that help people to build online business. There are software companies also. You can also promote tools and software like email marketing software, GetResponse, copywriting tools, tracking tools, any tool that will complement to your business. Now I will share with you 2 secret methods and a secret platform that no one knows about to find high quality product. But only knowing about the secret network would not work unless you follow the $3 million tips that I will also tell you in this video. Let's first talk about the 2 secret method. First method is just simply search on Google, type your niche plus high ticket affiliate program. You will get the list of all high ticket affiliate programs out there. Then you can follow the 3-step criteria that I told you and $3 million tips that I will tell you after these 2 methods to choose great products. Another thing you can do is you can read the review of the product. That will also give you some insights about the product. Now with the second method, you will be able to find hidden high quality world class products or services that most of the people are not promoting because they don't know about those products, and those products are high in demand. So make a list of 30 to 50 influencer success people in your niche and see if they have any high quality products or affiliate program that you can join. If you don't find their affiliate program, you can email their support and ask them how you can promote their products. Now it's time to reveal the secret network, that is Shikiboom network. It's a private network that not everyone can access. There is already done for you sales funnel marketing system that sell high in demand product from world class companies. You just need to simply pick an offer you want to promote and start making money. Vic, who created Shikiboom, is actually one of the biggest affiliate. With his marketing system, he has done like $500,000 in a week. There is a company 7K Metals. He created 5 different marketing system around it. And the best part is you don't need to create those marketing system from scratch. There is a code in the Shikiboom network. You only need to copy that code. With that code, you can literally just copy and paste the whole marketing system that make millions. So your marketing system is ready to make money in just few minutes. All you need to do is change the link, add your affiliate link. Now here is 3 $1 million tips. Without knowing these tips, all the methods you learn above would not work. Collaborate with the companies that have ecosystem and they allow you to tap into their ecosystem. Every company has different sets of product like membership, courses, VIP. Suppose if you send someone from your link to that company and that person buy any product from that company further in the future, maybe after 1 year, 2 years or 5 years. If that company allows you to tap into their ecosystem, you are going to get commission from that sale. And these company promote third-party tools software also, like email marketing software, copywriting tools, tracking tools. And if that person grabs any tool, you are going to get commission from that sale also. Second tip is have a combination of high ticket, low ticket and recurring product. High ticket offers going to make you big commissions like $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 with just one single sale. But if someone would not able to grab your high ticket offer because of low budget, he can grab your low ticket offer. And recurring products going to make you commission every month without spending a dime, without any extra effort. Next step is strategically combine multiple companies together. You don't need to limit yourself to promote just a handful of product. I'll give you an example. You can combine products that are complementary to each other. I'll give you an example. You can combine Mindvalley and 4%. Mindvalley is related to personal development, businesses, career, finances, spirituality, meditation. And 4% provide coaching to build online business. People who are interested to make money online, also interested in their personal development. They want to learn about spirituality, meditation, productivity so that they can increase their focus and can earn more in their business. You can also combine certain tools and software like email marketing software, tracking tool. People who are building online business, they are in need of these tools. So when people come to your hub, they will check out all these different offers, and that's how you can make multiple commissions by promoting multiple products. But even after finding the best quality product, how you are going to sell those products with so much competition? That's where step 2 comes in. In this step, you will going to learn how you can build a marketing system that going to sell 24/7 for you to make multiple passive commission. Do you want to see how you can build marketing system and your hub in just few minutes? Then click and watch this video.